Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Samsung Good Lock and Routines Plus to add some extra functionality to your volume keys. So I have mine set up right now for two different functions. If we put the phone to sleep here, you can see my always on display is not on. So if I wake the phone back up and I just press and hold my volume up key for a second and put my phone back to sleep, you can see we now have the always on display back on as normal. If I wake it up and I hold the volume down key for a second, turn it off, you can see the volume or the always on display is now off. If we go here to my quick settings, you can see there is a toggle for the always on display right there. If I hold up, you can see it turns on. If I hold down, it turns off. So I have the volume up key set to turn my always on display on, and my volume down key set to turn my always on display off on long press. So if I just press it once, press it like that normally, it is just normal volume up. Now I have one more function too on the volume down. So say we've got the volume up here. Instead of having to tap it repeatedly or hold it to turn the volume down, we can just do a double tap and it mutes the media volume. So quicker way to turn it down. Of course I could set this for double tap on the volume up to have it go to a preset amount as well, but I kind of want that the button to still be able to work as a double press, which you can still do with volume down. You just have to wait between presses. If you press it too quick in succession, then it will double press and it will just mute everything. So what you need to accomplish these is you do need Samsung Good Lock from the Samsung store. That is the Samsung store, not the Play Store. And this is using Routines Plus. So all you have to do is install Routines Plus here in Good Lock. And once you do that, just back out of Good Lock and go into your regular settings and go into modes and routines, go over to routines, and then when you go to add a new routine, scroll to the bottom down here and you will see the Routines Plus options. So if you don't have Routines Plus installed on Good Lock, you will not see these bottom three right here. So I already have this set up. So if we go to AOD on right here and we go to edit it, all I have is the button action set to volume up on press and hold. And then we go here to the always on display, which let me go back as we're adding a new one. So we'll just go here, we'll go to button action, volume up, press and hold. And then what we want it to do is lock screen and AOD, always on display right here, and you can have it change the mode or you can have it turn it on or off. So if you have it set to turn on, you can either put it on auto, always, tap to show, or for new notifications. So you can choose what display mode it goes into when you turn it on, and then if you want it to turn it off, you just select that, toggle to off, and then it will turn it off. So we're gonna discard that because I already have it obviously. For the volume one, same thing, volume down right here. We just have it double press volume down key, phone speaker 0%, wired headphones 0%, Bluetooth audio 0%. So it will change all those audio levels when you do the double press. So whether you're just using your phone normally with the phone speaker, or whether you have Bluetooth headphones, or well, you can't have wired headphones really unless you're using the USB-C ones. But if you have Bluetooth headphones connected, it will also do the volume for those when it's in Bluetooth audio output mode. So whatever you may be using, that button action for the double tap to turn the volume down will work for either one of those. So those are just some of the extra ways you can make the hardware keys on the side of your phone work for you. I already did a video to what my side key here is set to, with the press and hold for notifications and the double tap to take a screenshot, how I set that up with Good Lock as well. So those are just some of the ways you can customize your side buttons, including the volume keys, to do extra things with long presses and double presses. So you can do things like turn off your always on display without even having to unlock your phone. As you can see, the phone was still locked there, and it still allows you to control that. So if you don't want your always on display sitting there on the table on, if you want to turn it off real quick, all you have to do is wake up the screen, hold the button for a second, and poof, it's off. So if you need to turn it off real quick, it's just less interaction with your phone. So some of the cool things you can do with that, with Good Lock, Routines Plus, and all those kind of different modules on there. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.